Most people spend weeks, even months, trying to build a digital product from scratch, only to burn out before they ever make a sale. That's exactly why I put together a digital product business bundle with 14 valuable, beginner-friendly, and in-demand Google Sheets templates that you can resell as your own. Here's a look at what's inside the bundle. 1. The monthly budget tracker available in blue. 2. The annual budget tracker also in blue. 3. The 12-month weight loss tracker comes in purple, pink, green, and blue. 4. The monthly habit tracker also available in purple, pink, green, and blue. And finally, the annual habit tracker in purple, pink, green, and blue as well. Each tracker comes with detailed PDF and video instructions made for you and your customers. But that's just one part of the bundle. Here's the rest of what's inside. 1. A marketing guide. This book breaks down each tracker's features and benefits so you can confidently describe, market, and sell them. 2. A sales guide. This book shows you exactly where to sell your trackers, breaking down the 4 best platforms I've personally tested. 3. A packaging guide. This book gives you practical tips on how to bundle, price, and present your templates for maximum profit. 4. An upload and launch checklist guide. This book walks you through the entire upload to launch process. You'll also get a private label rights license to edit and sell these templates as your own, plus access to our private Facebook community, and you'll have direct support from me if you ever need help. This business bundle was made for anyone who wants to earn passive income without having to start from zero. Now let's talk money. If you price each tracker at $10 to $15 or sell the full bundle for $30 to $70, just 3 to 5 sales is enough to earn your investment back. Everything you make after that is pure profit. Since it's a digital business, you only need to upload the files once and resell them endlessly without spending anything extra. Now here's the thing. To keep the value high and the market fresh, I'm releasing these in limited batches. After each batch sells out, I'll pause sales for a while to give early buyers time to set up and start selling first. If you're seeing this right now, you're ahead of the crowd. Click the link in my bio, grab your business bundle, and join the next cohort before doors close. Or just comment bundle and I'll send the link straight to you.